tutorial is for the backwards Tcherkessia. Now don't be scared, this is just a backwards, so it's just a Tcherkessia that's done backwards. So like with a regular Tcherkessia where you step in and then back, instead you're going to be going back and then coming forward. And the main choreography that I learned this particular dance move for, the words happen to have something to do with bowing on the second half of that 4 beats. So it made more sense to go back and then end on a bow. So that's where I picked up this move. And so this is what it looks like. So like with a regular Tcherkessia, there's a 4 beats, just like this. But instead of starting forward, you're going back. So this is what a backwards Tcherkessia looks like. So I'm just doing the feet for now, just so you know what the feet looks like, so it doesn't look too bizarre. So it's just step back with the right, step with the left at home base, then step forward with the right, step back with the left. So it's total opposite, but starting with the same foot as a regular Tcherkessia. So more often than not, you're going to come across moves that start with the right foot than the left foot. You barely see any left foot starter moves, unless the choreographer prefers the left, but you don't see that very often, but just be aware. So let's do the backwards Tcherkessia. We're going to start with a 1. I'll do it this way so you can see, so you can do it with me. So, right there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, step back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now arms, in the one instance I I learned from it, it happened to be like this and then down. So usually, if it's a medium speed song, there's not any bouncing to it, but be expecting that with Tcherkessias, because you never know, because if the mood of the song is pretty bouncy, then more likely than not, the choreography is going to be bouncy too. So, so with a backwards Tcherkessia, typically this is the move. So when your right foot goes back, your arms go back, and then when you bow down, when you come forward, usually it's a bow. And you don't see this type of Tcherkessia very often, but this is just so you can be prepared in case it comes up. Thank you for watching this Tcherkessia dance tutorial video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comment section below or send me an email. I would love to hear from you. Now, if there's a Tcherkessia that I have not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I would love to make a video for you explaining how to do it. And if there's a type of Tcherkessia that I did not put into this Tcherkessia series, please let me know. I want to make sure that you are comfortable on the dance floor with every type of Tcherkessia possible. I want you to be the best that you can be. So thank you for watching, and until next time, go forth in the dance.